Okay, so to see who viewed your Facebook story, open the Facebook app and on your main feed, find your story. Tap into it, and on the bottom left, you'll see viewers. Mine sadly says no views yet on this amazing beach picture, but if you have viewers, it'll show you the full list of viewers here. A couple of important things worth knowing here. First, this only works for your own stories. If I'm looking at someone else's story, I can't see their viewer list, only my own. Also, if your story is set to public, people who aren't on your friends list will only show up as an others count, rather than showing their actual names individually. There's also a time limit. You can only view this list while the story is still active, which is 24 hours from when you originally posted it. After that, the viewer list disappears along with the story. And if you don't see any viewer icon or list at all, that just means no one's opened your story yet, kind of like mine. Anyways, that is how you check who viewed your Facebook story. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.